Did you know that by 2050, there could be more plastic in the ocean than fish? This alarming prediction highlights the urgent need to address plastic pollution. Every year, over 8 million tons of plastic waste enter our oceans, creating a massive environmental crisis. Plastic pollution is not just an eyesore, it covers roughly 40% of the ocean's surface, affecting marine life and ecosystems. Marine animals often mistake plastic waste for food, leading to fatal consequences as their stomachs fill with indigestible debris. The toxic chemicals in plastics and pollutants that accumulate on their surfaces make them even deadlier for marine wildlife. Entanglement in plastic waste, especially ghost fishing gear, kills around 1 lakh marine animals annually. Ghost fishing nets trap marine creatures, restricting their movement and often leading to drowning or severe injuries. For billions of people, particularly in developing countries, fish are a crucial source of protein and income. Microplastics in seafood are on the rise, posing unknown risks to human health and food security. Plastic waste facilitates the spread of invasive species, disrupting ecosystems and reducing biodiversity. Floating plastic debris can carry marine animals, plants, and microbes to new regions, causing ecological imbalances. As plastics break down, they release greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change and ocean acidification. Rising ocean temperatures and acidity have devastating effects on coral reefs, vital habitats in the fight against climate change. Plastic never truly disappears, it breaks down into microplastics that persist in the environment for centuries. Half of the plastics we produce are designed for single use, making it challenging to avoid them in our daily lives. Simple switches like using reusable water bottles, tote bags, and coffee cups can help reduce plastic waste. If current trends continue, ocean plastic pollution is on track to triple by 2060, reaching over 1 billion tons. Reducing virgin plastic production and improving waste management systems can significantly cut plastic pollution. The ocean absorbs nearly 30% of global carbon emissions, making its health crucial in the fight against climate change. Governments are starting to take action, with countries like New Zealand and India pledging to ban single-use plastics. Our oceans are in crisis, but with collective effort, we can turn the tide on plastic pollution and protect marine life.